Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use concatenate in Excel with multiple columns. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a 3 column: customer name, product and location. So these 3 columns I'm going to join together in one column by using the concatenate function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and use the concatenate function. Select the concatenate and select the first text, then use the comma. Select the second text, use the comma. Select the third text and bracket close and press the enter, and that's it. Here you see the all 3 column text is combined together in one column. Okay, simply drag this formula below the cell and you can see the all 3 column is combined in one column. But if you want here the some space between the name of the customer name, product and locations, so you can do it. Just simply double click on it and change the formula here. So I just edit here the formula. After the first text, after the comma, use the double quote, space, double quote, again comma, then select the second text, same as use the comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, and select the third text and bracket closed and enter, and that's it. Here you can see the all 3 name is showing space. Okay, just select the cell and keep cursor on the corner point of the cell and double click on it, and you can see the formula is automatically copy paste below the cell. See the space between the all 3 name. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.